Polonia, jetzt sind gestartet, sono partiti. In the middle of the race, a little advantage for Poland on the red course. Let me see who wins the first one. Wins the first one. Elmas for Poland. 81 seconds is the definite advantage for Elmas, representing Poland on the first run. E ora in partenza Fulvio, Grand Prix time, blue course. Let me see who wins the first run. Versus these two speed tractors, a little advantage on the red course for Francesco. Wins the first run, Francesco representing Italy for 21 seconds. 21 centesimi vantaggio di Francesco nella prima manche su Fulvio. Ora l'ultima coppia di maestri, Ivan Sudafrica, pista blu contro Nicola Olanda, pista rossa. This is the last couple of ski instructors. We have South Africa representing by Ivan on the blue course versus Nicola representing Holland. Barbra Streisand. Guys, questo è come sia in Italia, that's the way you go to ski with the ski school just over there. I'm going to remind you that all the ski classes are from Russian. That's the only ski school in Livigno can organize such a show. Grande scuola in Livigno che poi solo questo può organizzare un evento del genere. Ecco qua, altra serpentina incrociata, another question separate time by these ski instructors. And F5, there's other things. Three ski instructors on one per skate. Look at these. I carry tonight. I got the feeling there's something right. I'm scared in case I fall off my chair. Now I think we can see another time the freestyler jumping. Sorry about my voice, I have a short throat, not in a good form. I might so later. Tony che ha fatto la precedenza e noi buone, è stato mortale fra poco, assieme al nostro Dimitri. Siamo pronti, we are ready for the second run. Siamo pronti per la seconda manche. Manuel, Germania, questa volta scende sulla pista blu. Roby, Russia, scende sulla pista rossa. 8 centesimi di vantaggio nella prima manche per Manuel. Ready to start for the second run. Roby representing Russia comes down on the red course this time versus Manuel representing Germany. He comes down on the blue course. 800 seconds was the advantage on the first run for Manuel. Let me see who is the first semi-finalist of this evening. Wins one more time Manuel, and Manuel definitely is the first semi-finalist of this evening. Ora in partenza Didier Danimarca.